Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
O menteri rang ba kajala o Conrad kongkal sangma haka kasau tarik urisau arjar puar ulai thu baka jing pendam ya megilia Regulation of Gaming Act arjar puai daka Ordinance bat hadian pan on pendu pendam sendon daka jing menjer jongka ying dor bar thau an kajala haka jing karan bagilar patai kubor o Conrad ulai thu ba kajing penbena jong o menteri katana taxation ujiam sangma kalong hadian baladab bani selok badu Ula ongru kum ka sarkar kahaban skapru ya kasur jong kipai ba kiba persya ban pelong an ya ka jing Khalai bat ka jing wanra ya ka casino ha ka jala megalia.
As I said, this particular act was ensuring that people would not be able to enter different gambling places, and wherever the licenses were given, anybody who wanted to operate would have to apply for licenses. So obviously in the absence of that, now there's not in a specific law, and we're back to square one. So the way things were in the past, that's how things will be as of now, until we examine and see how we're going to move forward. The question of clean or not clean, that's really a matter of definition and perspective that one may have. But yes, in a way you are right, that if you look at every activity, then one could have a particular perception about a particular activity. And many activities have different forms of chances and different forms of skill involved with all of them. So therefore this aspect will always be there. But the concerns regarding the regulation that we had put, the gaming regulation, this had more concerns than simply the gambling aspect, and the fear of the and the concerns of the society at large was that it will have a larger and a more different impact than the other forms of games and other forms of gambling and the games of chance that are there, and hence those concerns were what had been a matter of concern for the government. And after hearing everybody out, we realized that this is a matter that people are obviously very concerned about, and so we decided that till we're able to move forward properly and we're able to really come with a proper system where people will feel that this being able to take care of all these different aspects, we felt that let us go with the will of the people and overall the concerns of the citizens, and we decided that we will repeal the act.